I bought and tested 2 of Amazon's most popular bug eliminators and also preventers. I'm gonna tell you everything you could possibly wanna know about these. You can't go wrong with either one of these. There are some similarities. They do very similar things, but there are some major differences. You could probably notice one of them right now, but there are some other things that I'm going to go over in this video. We had an ant problem about 4 weeks ago, and I got both of these. One of the main reasons I got this is because we have a dog, and this is safe for him and also other little ones. So that's the main reason we went with this. We're gonna start with this one right over here. So this is gonna be your EcoVenger, and this one right over here is the Wondercide. So the Wondercide right over here, super easy to use. Literally just open this, you just take your hose, hook it up right over here. Really nice, it has a control. So the hose is currently on right now, and it's so you control it with this right over here. I honestly thought when we first got this, it was gonna work where you just put the hose and it's gonna start spraying right away. That's not the case, and you can see the water is not going out of it. Anyway, back to this, one of the things I like. You're gonna get 32 ounces of this right over here. So this will eliminate bugs on contact. So there's no waiting. As soon as this hits the bugs, they're done. So you don't have to worry about that, and I like that. This also prevents bugs for about 4 weeks. You can see this is where I live, and there are lots of bugs. We have a patio right up there. We like to sit over here. Our dog likes to run over here. So in that aspect, I like having this. We kind of spray this fence right over here. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. And then we kind of spray right around our area. So for this right over here, it took me a little bit to figure this out. So you literally pull that back and then you pull this back. At first I thought you had to like push up. That's not the case. You pull this back and then you get a nice little mist right over here. And you can see it just goes exactly like that. It does have like a little bit of a cedar smell to it. So just note that. It doesn't really linger or stick around or anything like that. So that's kind of this one right over here. And this is going to be great for mosquitoes, ants, flies, ticks, crickets, beetles, and gnats as well. And it also prevents them. It lasts about 4 weeks. And you can just see that spray. It's hard to see right over here, but it doesn't really use that much. You get a lot of use out of here. But if you have a bigger area, you might want to get a couple. This next one right over here, this is for ants and other insects. You can see right over there. So this one right over here, it's gonna come with a top, not this, and this will be, it kind of looks like this, but there's no nozzle. You just unscrew that, unmove the foil, put that in there, and this is what this looks like right over here. This is for ants and other crawling insects as well. Pretty much the same stuff over there, mosquitoes and stuff like that. This is instant elimination as well. So as soon as it hits the insect, it's over for them. So just know that. This doesn't really leave like a crazy residue or anything like this. You could use this inside, outside. So just note that. This is not recommended to use on plants. We really don't have any plants, so I don't really have any direct experience with that, but that's what it says. So just know that. This is also good for dogs and pets and all that kind of stuff. And this has a sprayer. So this has a lock top right over here, just like your normal lock top. So I'm like doing it now. So it has a good lock and it doesn't leak, which is nice. That's kind of your mist right over there. So a nice big mist. This kind of smells like citronella. It has that natural oil scent to it. Doesn't really stick around for a lot. This also prevents as well. So if you spray this around, let's say you're outside and we have the patio up there. If we kind of just spray this around the patio, we'll get about like 3-ish, 4-ish weeks. Better, I think, less bugs. So we kind of noticed that. It's kind of hard to tell. We've only had it for like 3 weeks, but I've noticed less bugs and I am very sensitive to that. So, and this also is good for ants or colonies. It goes in there, kind of removes, you know, the pheromones and all that kind of stuff. So let's take a look at them head to head right over here. This one right here, biggest difference, you need a hose for this one. This one you do not, it's just a sprayer. This one I think comes in different sizes as well. So if you needed more, you could definitely get more of this. We use both of these. So this one right over here is mainly used to spray down here, keep this area nice and debugged. This one we're using on the patio up there when we're outside. If there are bugs, we just spray them and it takes care of that, which is nice. We don't need tiki torches and all that kind of stuff. This one right over here is good for, you could use this around your garden, vegetables, plants, stuff like that. Obviously wash them. This one is not recommended to do that. This one, they both last about 3 to 4 weeks in the kind of prevention mode and keeps them away. They both eliminate instantly. I would say this one is going to be better for you if you don't have a hose. So that's the first thing. I think if you have a hose, this one is going to be great because you get that nice little mist. You can cover a lot of area with this one quickly. With this one, if we're trying to do this area, it's going to take me a little bit, right, to get around there. But with this right over here, I just pump that back, like I'm done there. So if you're kind of looking for something that to go quicker, this is going to be the one for you and cover more area. Can't go wrong with either one of these. Like I said, we use this one down here, this one up there. So maybe get both if you're into that. If you found this helpful, definitely give this a thumbs up. And yeah, I hope your bugs go away.